we are from group 3. We will explain about polynomial. We are using a concept of empires of Constantinople, but I am only draw a walls of Constantinople, which has fallen in 1453 by Muslim people. Okay. Next, there are two types. The first is monomial. Monomial is the algebra expression which has contents of a single real number. And then polynomials. Polynomial is the sum or difference of a set of monomials. Polynomial can be said to be standard form if according to descending of degree. For example, in empires of there is king, in below of king there is queen, in below of queen there is magister, and etc. In number, this is example x over 3, x power 3 minus 4x power 2 plus 6, and then for x power 4 plus 3x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus x plus 1.
And the last is polynomial. Polynomials is the expression with the number have the variable, and the variable have the power, and monomial is contains constant terms. What is the constant terms? Constant term is the constant is the variable, the power is 0. So the variable, the value is 1. So we count the variable and we just write the constant. Is the constant term, and this is the constant term. And what is the standard forms? Standard form is the variable of the expression. In the right side is the highest, and the left side is the lowest. And also the polynomials have leading coefficients. The leading of coefficient is the variable have the highest power. The example is x power 3 minus 4x power 2 plus 6. The leading coefficient is 1 because the variable is the highest value. And in the down, the 4x power 4 plus 3x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus x plus 1. The leading coefficient is the 4 because the variable is the bigger.
Hi, I'm going to explain you about the degree of polynomials, but let me explain degree of monomial first. The degree of monomial is the sum of the exponent of the variable. So, for example, this is negative 6x power 5. So, the degree of this monomial is 5. Now, I will explain the degree of polynomial. So, polynomial consists of some monomial. So, to find degree of polynomial, we have to find degree of monomial. After that, we compare the degree of monomial in every term. After that, we find the highest degree of monomial, and that is a degree of polynomial. And if the degree of polynomial is 1, that is called linear polynomial. And if the degree of polynomial is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. And if the degree of polynomial is 3, it's called cubic polynomial.
Okay, hi. So there are two kinds of polynomials here. There are constant polynomials and zero polynomials. So what is constant polynomials here? So there are polynomials and all of the coefficients is 0, like this. This one, 2m minus 1 is the coefficient. So, well, like this. 5 minus n equals 0. So 2m minus 1 equals 0, so m equal to the 2. And for this one too, 5 minus n, so n equal 5. So that is constant polynomial. For the zero polynomials, it's simple. We just disappear this constant, so we can say this is zero polynomials. Because without constant, this 13 is a constant, like my friend said before. So if all of the coefficients is 0, so we can say it is constant polynomials. And if the polynomials doesn't have a constant and all the coefficients is 0, so we can say it is zero polynomial. Thank you.
So next is about polynomial function. Well, it's just the same like the function that we have learned in when we were 10th grader. So for example, there is a function px is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 4, and the question asks us to find the value of if the x is 3. After that, just substitute that number, that 3, into the equation. Then you find the value of that function. If you want to know what is the value, just count by yourself, just calculate by yourself. And if you don't understand, just ask Miss Vivian. Thank you.
Okay, and last is equality of two polynomials. First, before you know equal polynomials, you have to know like terms. Like term is when variable with the power is same. Like this, x power 2, y power 2, and in here x power 2 and y power 2. It's called like terms. After you know like terms, we can know the equal polynomial. Equal polynomial is when some terms which have like terms and also same coefficient, like this. Pxy is equal 5x squared y squared, and then qxy is equal 5x squared y squared. It means both terms is equal, so it can called equal polynomials.
And the addition information, polynomials, the power of variable must be a whole number. So the power of variable must start from 0 until infinite. And that's all for us. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ring, 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 ring. Boomerang.